What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review today, be sure to check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to 20k subs. I'd appreciate it. Also, this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the Hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. Today we're unboxing a longly anticipated shoe. The last time this model came out was back in 2006. I had just graduated from high school. Since then, the Lightning 4's value has been increasing up to $2,000. It was a coveted shoe and still is. 15 years later, Jordan Brand blessed us with a 2021 version. But before I go further, DJ of DNA Show has a good comparison between the 2006 version versus the 2021 version. Here, present day, I have the box in my hand, yellow lid with the black Jumpman and then the white Flight logo right here. The bottom portion of the box is of that cement print, pretty much of gray and black. Now, opening the box, this is what it looks like. It would have been super cool if we got like the original Pro card, but that's absent, of course. What we do have in place is the cement tissue paper going on with the shoes under that. First impressions, it's a dope shoe. But to be honest, I wasn't one to have sought out for the OG pair, so I don't really have any affinity towards the new one. However, it is cool to see some of my friends get all giddy for this shoe. The Jordan 4 silhouette is one of my favorite models. This particular Lightning 4, it feels pretty good to the touch. The Lightning 4s are set to release on August 28th, 2021, 15 years and 5 days on top of the original's release. Most retailers and boutiques with Jordan Brand accounts should acquire these shoes, such as Kicking It ATX. Jordan Brand did produce these from toddler to adult sizes, and this should be a relatively easy cop. Retail is set for $220 USD at your tax and your VAT just based on where you reside. Looking at the resale market, looking at StockX, GOAT, SneakerCon. Just before the release, these are hitting anywhere between $250 and $350, just dependent on the size that you need. But I only anticipate that this price is going to go up as soon as people start taking their L's on their respective apps and local raffles, because it's a classic silhouette. Taking a closer look, the shoe is pretty much employing this tour yellow nubuck material. The long form mudguard, the vamp, the collar, the heel, and it's of a good quality build. Lots of people are saying that the 2006 version is a brighter yellow, but to me, a yellow shoe, it's always gonna pop, so it doesn't matter too much. The heel dons a gray Jumpman emblem that's done in a shiny plastic, which looks super clean. Above that is the raised 9-dot heel tab. The quarter panel of the lateral and the medials of the shoe are identical. What makes the Jordan 4 are the triangles and the netting right here. The gray nubuck triangle and the black rubber netting are a perfect contrast to the tour yellow upper. Behind the netting is a yellow padded meshing, which enables breathability. You'll also see this feature outfitted on a good portion of the tongue. As we get to the top of the tongue, you'll see this giant square gray woven label that sits above, with the white Jumpman on top and then the Flight in yellow on the bottom. Getting onto lacing, we aren't provided with a second set, but this makes for a good opportunity to buy some black wax laces from Foxtrot or from whatever company. The shoe comes fully laced using these flat shaped, yellow colored cotton build laces. The laces, they do look a bit different from the tour yellow that you see on the shoe, but it's not noticeably different to where it would throw you off from close up. Still, I'll probably buy an aftermarket set of laces and do a lace swap. Getting to the inside of the shoe, the reverse side of the tongue features a gray cotton lining with the upside down Air Jordan logo done in yellow, which is traditional to the Jordan 4 silhouette. The remaining lining is a yellow cotton build that is pretty padded at the lateral, at the medial, and at the heel to provide that ankle support. In removing the insoles, this is definitely one of my worst or my most hated insoles of a Jordan shoe. This insole can get pretty dirty super easily because what we have is this white fabric laid upon this thin piece of white foam, but this white fabric is going to get dirty upon that first use. At the heel, we have the Jumpman logo done up in a dark gray. I love the midsole of Jordan 4s. They're always bulky and they always look dope. The gray portions right here are done in a blown rubber component, enabling durability, flexibility, and structure. The white portions of the midsole, like the pod right here or the heel, this is done in an EVA foam. Included is an air unit at the heel that you can see the visible air bubble right there that helps with impact resistance. The inside of the structure is done in white, in which I believe the 2006 pair was done in a dark gray color, which I prefer of the two. The outsole too is of that blown rubber component. We have the hits of gray and white scaling the shoe up and down. We have the star patterns at the toe box area, and then your typical traction marking going down the rest of the shoe. And the Jumpman this time is smack dab in the middle, wearing a suit of yellow. When it comes to sizing, you may want to go true to size or a half size up. With all of the padding, it may feel like your foot is constricted. If you have the opportunity to try on a Lightning 4 before you buy it, or to try on another Jordan 4 model, it would be advisable. In terms of comfortability, I've always loved rocking 4s. I think they're one of the more comfortable Jordan models straight out from the box. Though, if you're not feeling the stock insole, you can always pull it out and rock a Hefe Lux insole like Sean Go. There are those Boost material built insoles. You can rock your own orthotics, or you can rock soft sole like I do if you need arch support or pronation support. I have a link in the description box below. Overall, this is a very welcomed retro. Lots of people have been clamoring and waiting for this shoe literally for years. The Lightning 4s, they have a great quality nubuck to them. I love the black netting and the thickness to them, and just reiterating the fact, it would have been super dope if we would have got the OG Pro card in the box for this shoe. At the $220 price point, this is a no-brainer, and hopefully with it being widely available, you'll be able to make this purchase. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the Lightning 4s? Is this a good pickup? Is this a bad pickup? Do you have the 2006 version of this shoe? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at Chris.Dalunia with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I drop a new video. Fight the algorithm and help me get to that 20K subscriber mark. I would greatly appreciate it. I think that's about it. Thanks for kicking it with me, and we will check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.